and welcome to part 1 of our online learning module. So the first part, you are going to be in this part 1 of our online learning module. This is what it'll look like. You're going to scroll down and you'll see that there are 3 tasks in part 1. So the first thing that you want to do is read through this introduction, and once you've looked at everything, we are going to click right down here and we are going to start with task 1. So once you click on task 1, it's going to take you right here, and this is what the task 1 page looks like. Our first task, there's a website called Edmodo, which is a social media website, kind of like Facebook. And we have a page just for our class. So if you look right here in the first step, there are directions right down here that tell you exactly what to do to join Edmodo. I want you to follow each of these directions. Now, once you have done these things, you will click right here on Edmodo, and it's going to take you to our class Edmodo page. And it's coming up, it's just taking a little while, and it will look something almost like a Facebook page right here. This is our page. So what you are going to do is you are going to look at my post right here. Right here is where you will click reply. You're going to reply with your introduction and tell me each of the things that are designed in task 1. And then, so if we look at task 1, it says you're going to go to Edmodo, and then you're going to tell us your name, how old you are, what grade you're in, and what you want to be when you grow up. So that is what you're going to reply to my original post with. Now, once you have done that on Edmodo, your post will be right here. Once you have done that, you're going to look through your classmates' introductions, and you're going to reply to 4, it tells you right here in step 3, you're going to reply to 4 introductions, and you're going to say something nice and respectful. So if they say they want to be an astronaut when they grow up, and you want to be an astronaut too, you could say something about that. So I just want you to reply and say hello and meet 4 other classmates in our online learning module. And like I said, all of the directions are right here, so you shouldn't have any trouble. Now, once you have finished task 1, it's time to move on to task 2. So you're going to click right there for task 2. And this is what our task 2 page looks like. So if you go down, task 2 is going to be using a website called Padlet. So on Padlet, here are your steps right here. Your first step is to create a post, and the way that you'll do that is you'll come right down here to our Padlet and you'll double click, and it will allow you to create a new post. Here's my post, here's a title, and here's where I would write. You're going to create a post. You're going to write a question that you have about goal setting or self-evaluation. And then once you have done that, you're going to create another post. So once you've asked a question, maybe any question you have about this online learning module, then once you have created that post, you'll double click again to create another post telling us something that you already know, some kind of previous knowledge of something that you already know about goal setting and self-evaluation. Maybe you think you know what they mean, so go ahead and say that. There's no problem. There's no wrong answer. Just tell us anything that you think you know about it already. Once you have finished that task, it's time to move on to task 3. Now, task 3, let's see here. Here we go. Here is task 3. This is what this page will look like. If you look down here, there's a video. I would like for you to watch this video, and then after you have watched this video, there's a Google form right down here. You're going to bring that form up. The video is also in the Google form, so if you click on that, you can watch it there too as well. You're going to tell me that you understand what you understand after watching this video. So I understand that. So it's something that helped you understand from watching this video. And then I would like for you to tell me something that you've learned from watching this video. And then the last question right here is you're going to tell me what you believe the main idea of this video is. And then you're going to click submit. That's very important that you fill all 3 of those in and then click submit. Once you have finished this, you are all done with part 1. You are completely done with all 3 tasks, and it's time to move on to part 2. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have fun learning.